Hi everyone! So today I'm going to kind of go through my ideas for the semester, which is an immersive color study project with my toddlers. So my student population is a group of 10 children that vary in age from 18 months to 3 years. Typically, I will see these students and interact with them from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, and I'm in an in-person classroom setting. During the day, they play with each other with a rotating collection of toys. I like doing a toy rotation. And then I have a daily circle time, an activity that's based on our theme of the week. So throughout this course, I would like to dive into the content area of art, specifically looking at primary colors and secondary colors that particular combinations will create. So my color study would stem and involve the book Mouse Paint by Ellen Stoll Walsh, and the children would focus on their ability to identify the colors and color names, as well as explore how other colors, specifically orange, green, and purple, are made. The topic would be engaging for the children since it would include a lot of sensory experiences using materials such as paint and water to help them explore the idea that new colors emerge from mixing colors. At this young age, sensory experiences are very valuable, especially if you let the children just go for it and kind of get as messy as they want. So while the children believe that they are just playing and having fun, they will start to learn and explore these concepts as well. So in this environment, technology looks a lot different. So for children under 2 years of age, the CDC recommends no screen time. And for children aged 2 to 3, the CDC recommends a half an hour a week of quality educational instruction. So with this as a common practice, the technology that might support this environment is going to be more of use for the teacher. So that would be utilized by both myself and the assistant in the room. So I would like to use a tool such as Google Forms in order to put in anecdotal notes, formative assessments, and developmental milestones in relation to the content so I could track the progress and growth over time in their cognitive knowledge, their developmental milestones for gross motor and fine motor, as well as their social emotional growth. So overall, this series of lessons would be two-pronged, with goals and outcomes for both the students, as well as the goals and outcomes for myself in recording and compiling what they have learned. So looking first at the students, these goals and activities would help create a fundamental knowledge about colors and how they interact with each other and exist in relation to one another. Also, it would allow for the students to be excited about learning and doing projects, which would aid in fostering a love of learning and exploration. While looking at my goals for the students, as a baseline, I would like to have the children be able to identify the 6 main colors using their names, so the primary and secondary colors. And then for some of my older toddlers, which are 2.6 and up, so about 2.5, I would like them to be able to understand and demonstrate their knowledge that 2 specific colors mix together to create a third color. And whether it's in the form of a color match, a verbal explanation, or an art project, I would like them to be able to kind of identify that they understand that larger concept. So I would be contributing to their larger universe of learning by tracking how much they know and what they're able to do. So this information would be passed on to the families as well as their future teachers when they move to preschool and pre-K. So the teachers are familiar with their baseline of knowledge and know where they're at. My personal goal for all of this is to find a way to successfully compile all this information so I'm able to track their growth and knowledge both for this project as well as in the future. So that's a little bit about my project, and I would love to hear what your thoughts on this are and maybe any ideas that you have for me. Thank you. Bye.